a short meditation preparing for the final time capsule. Welcome back. Find a comfortable position. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, rest your eyes naturally to close. Now, take a slow, deep breath in and let it go. Again, breathing in calm and exhale, breathing out any tension. Bring your awareness to your heart center. Feel the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat. With every breath, imagine soft golden light expanding from your heart, spreading through your chest, your body, and gently into your energy field. This light is your sovereign anchor. It is the living bridge between your ancient wisdom and your future potential. Now feel the energy of the Metamorphosis Time Capsule forming around you. See it as a beautiful, luminous vessel of golden white light, perfectly timed with the full blue moon in Sagittarius. This capsule is not something outside of you. It is a living field that meets you exactly where you are. Breathe gently into it. Say silently or aloud, I open myself to the Metamorphosis Time Capsule. I integrate what is ready. I release what no longer serves. I stand as a fully integrated human, sovereign, heart-centered, and clear. Feel golden rays of Shekinah, the living flame gently touching your heart, anchoring the return of the divine feminine. Feel the calm strength of the sacred masculine, rising as protector and guardian of your field. Rest here for a few moments, allowing the energy of the capsule to settle into every cell, every layer of your being. When you are ready, take a nice, slow, deep breath and bring your awareness back into the room. Sense your physical body. Place one hand on your heart and the other on your belly. This sacred preparation is now anchored within your field, ready for the Metamorphosis capsule on 31 May. You are ready. Stay with me now. I'm right here with you.